How to download Minecraft. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to open up your browser. It doesn't matter what browser you open up. Then once you open up, you're gonna have to search up Minecraft. Once you search up just Minecraft, just click on enter. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the first option right here. It should take you to this page. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on games right here all the way on top. Then click on Minecraft, and you're gonna have to scroll down. Then once you scroll down for a bit, as you guys can see, it should take you to this page right here where it's at platforms and features. And you have this option right here where it's at Windows/Mac. Just click on buy now. Now from here, you have two you could choose from. Number one, just standard. Number two is going to be the additional collection. So I'm going to just go with standard. Click on checkout. Now from here, you're going to have to sign in with your Microsoft. Now if I enter my password right here, it's going to make me go through a whole process. Then it's going to make me download it for Windows. Now if you want to do it another way, what you have to do is, it's super easy and way simpler, is you're going to have to go to your Microsoft Store. Then once you go to your Microsoft Store, you're going to have to just search up Minecraft. And as you guys can see, I have Minecraft right here, which is the first one. Just click on that. Now from here, you should have an option right here where it said install. Then once you download, you could just click on play, for example. And as you guys can see, now my Minecraft is opening. And then once I wait a few minutes, as you guys can see, my Minecraft just opened. So this would have helped you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.